Yo, what up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's unbagging video is gonna be on some polarized sunglasses that I bought on Amazon. So I bought two of them. Each one was $19.97 plus tax, so basically 20 bucks. Two of them, so 40 bucks total. This is the Faguma, spelled F-A-G-U-M-A. Sports polarized sunglasses for men, cycling, driving, fishing, 100% UV protection. Long ass name on Amazon. But anyways, I got the black frame ones with night vision lens. So the lens is yellow. I also got it says it's non-mirrored lens. So you can see the person's eyes. It's not mirrored. And I also got the black and blue frames with blue mirrored lens. We'll see how it is after I put them on. But yeah, those are the two ones that I got. Again, everything will be in the description below. Looking into the information, you guys will see if you guys click on the link. These sunglasses are supposedly very durable and bendable or whatever. We'll see if it actually is. I'll see how it is if it actually lasts me. I'm not going to try to purposely break them. So it comes with glasses case, glasses pocket, glasses cloth, and a retainer so the thing that just in case it falls off, it's like a necklace attached to your shades so it doesn't get lost or fall down on the ground. And what else? Supposedly shatterproof. Nothing's shatterproof. UV 400 eye protection. Blocks glare. HD vision. True color. Which, again, I don't get that. If the lenses are colored, then you won't be able to see true color. Whatever. Length. You guys could look at the length and the size, like if that really matters to you guys, you guys could look it up. Anyways, let's get to the unbagging. Alright, I'm just gonna show you guys. This is on Amazon, obviously. This is through the app. These are the yellow sunglasses that I was talking about before I unbag it. Just so you guys can see. In case you guys don't want to click the link, here it is. Alright. Those are the night vision ones. There's a bunch of colors. Alright. And these are the ones that I bought. The second pair. So they're supposed to be blue mirrored lens, black and blue frames. This is what I was reading. And alright, now let's get to the unbagging. So here it is. Here's the bag. I'm gonna tear it up. The front side has nothing but my address, so I'm not gonna allow you guys to see that. In case you guys are stalkers, some of you guys will be welcome, but most of you guys will not. Anyways, here's these boxes by Faguma. I don't know why they're different. This one's glossier and this one's like matte. Here's the back side of it. It says it's made in what? Made in China. Everything's made in China. Alright. Here's all the sides. Alright. So it's just plain. Alright. Now let's open this box. This is the matte one. Again, I don't know if they're gonna send you guys this crappy box. Look at that. Look at that. It's all messed up. I don't really care. As long as the inside is... the actual glasses themselves are good. I don't really care because this is going in the garbage anyways. Nothing else in the box. Alright, so here's the carrying case. It's a nice carrying case. The Faguma right there. Brand name. I guess you could not even carry it in your wrist or whatever. You could spin it around. Oh, it's the yellow ones. These are the night vision ones. Alright, so what's in here? So it's the cloth and some card is in there. There's a cloth and the little... Ooh, this feels durable. This is a nice material. Yep. I like this. It's better than my last shades that I got on Amazon. Alright, here's the like lanyard or whatever that thing you freaking put on your neck. And the cloth. The cleansing cloth. Whatever. Not branded. And here's the Faguma card. Witness the beauty of the world. Faguma, this is the same thing. It has like the picture of a road. Alright, thank you so much for your order in the store. If you have any problem or need any help, please contact us. We'll provide you with a 100% satisfactory solution. If you're satisfied, hope that you can leave a 5-star review and feedback for us. I'm not going to do that. We will be very appreciative. Okay? Finish the word. Thank you again. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Now, the shades were on the left side. Nice packaging. Everything is like separate. Seems like they actually care about their packaging. Like, at least the inside. Or it might be Amazon reused. And they lied and said it was new. Nah. Or they just messed up the packaging on the way. Yo, this does seem and feel like more expensive. The other ones I bought were like 20 bucks too. These are nice. Look at that. So they're not mirrored from this side. See if they're mirrored from this side. Okay. Nope, you can see through it. Look at that. Meow. Here's the inside. That's what I was talking about. Let's see, what does that say? Polarized F120. Let's see if you guys... Let me focus the camera right there. Polarized F120. What does it say? It says Faguma designed in Italy. Huh. But it was made in China. Look at the pattern is like trying to be carbon fiber, but it's probably not rubber or some shit. Faguma. Alright. So these are the night vision glasses. Or the yellow lens. Let's just call it yellow lens. And you put that in here. Well, actually, let me put the cloth in there. I'll put the cloth in here. Alright. Ooh, actually, these things. I never had one of these things with a lens, so I wonder how you put them on. I have no idea how you put these on. How do you put them on? What, do they stretch? How do you... Seriously, how do you put them on? They don't come with instructions. Doesn't look like you slide them in. Maybe they stretch open. Yep, you could just put them in like that. Stretch open. I don't want to wear them like this anyways, but Jesus. No wonder They do feel like they're gonna be secure. There, I guess you put them in like that. Just the tip. And then, whoa. That's to adjust the length, and then you put the other ones. Let me make sure I put it on right. I'm just gonna put it on the same way. Put on the other ones. I wonder if you put it right here, because there's like a little circle thing right there. I don't know. I just put it in a little bit. And then there you go. There you go. I'll just keep that like that. I don't think I'm gonna wear it though, because it's just gonna get in the way. I don't even think it could. Yo, no, it could close. And then I'll put it in the bag. Like that. Like that. Try not to touch the lens. But if you do, you got the cloth to clean it off. Someone is deciding to vacuum while I'm making this video. Well, at least my nieces and nephews are cleaning. Trying to avoid their damn chores all the time. Alright, there's the yellow ones. I'm gonna do the blue ones a little bit faster since I took my time with the yellow ones. Alright, so here we go. Ooh, nice blue ones. You guys know what this is. Get the blue ones out. Yep, they look mirrored. I can already tell. See how like thick and foggy it is with the plastic on. I like this brand so far. All right, so you guys could kind of see a mirrored. Look at you can see my camera, my phone, the flash, me saying, "What's up, you guys?" They look nice. Let's see. Obviously, it's not gonna be mirrored on this side, so it's like black. So you can see through it, and it's kind of like black or orange. These are nice. And again, you guys could put that lanyard, that freaking whatever you call it again. Alright, I'm gonna try it on, and then you guys are gonna be able to see how I look with them on. Alright, so these are the night vision lenses. I almost said goggles. With the lanyard, okay? So that's how it looks like. Look left, look right. With my hat off. Alright, those are the yellow ones. Alright, so let's test out the lanyards. You guys could loosen it up, whatever, tighten it up. It's perfect right here. That was like on my chest. It's kind of annoying though when you try to put it back on and the lanyard gets here and then you have to pull it back. Whatever's. It's for safety. Those are the yellow ones. Now for the blue ones. Alright. Without my hat on. Look left, look right, look up, look down, close up. These are the mirrored ones. This is with my hat on. Well, obviously you guys won't be able to see if I look down, but there you guys go. Alright. And then I did not put the thing on it, so there you go. Looks nice. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. You guys know what to do. Give me a like, dislike, comment, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, laters.